What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and why it is the future of all things cryptocurrency. And I'm not talking about just, cryptocurrency within the decentralized finance space. I'm talking the overall cryptocurrency market and why I truly believe that Shiba Inu will one day become a top 5, top 3, maybe even top 2 crypto asset within the market space and within the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Now, overall cryptocurrency market is recovering nicely after a significant sell-off, sitting at 7,236 or 723 Satoshi units for Shiba Inu. Again, running sideways over the last 3 months. We run up, we consolidate, we sell off. We run up, we consolidate, we sell off with the obvious support line right around 570, 580 Satoshis. All right, we got that down. But what are we looking forward to for Shiba Inu? Shytoshi came out with his new Medium post where he talked about the Now Payments partnership with Shib. Now Payments is now allowing people to integrate a payment method utilizing Shib token on your websites, which is giving the DeFi understanding, the DeFi application, the utility that we've been waiting for Shiba Inu. And that's why I wholeheartedly believe this crypto asset is going to start showing us as investors why it was so important to hold throughout this time. And of course, you guys have to remember that I am not a financial advisor, nor do I make these videos for financial advice. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And of course, Shiba Inu is one of my biggest holdings in my portfolio, and there's a reason for that. I truly believe in what they are looking to achieve with this crypto asset. Between now and the end of 2021, we're going to see that new layer 2 blockchain. We're going to see that third generation Shiba Inu blockchain technology get integrated. No more worrying about those Ethereum gas fees that have been eating up a lot of our buying power. And hopefully moving forward, we're going to start seeing significant gains. The India fund has been fully liquidated, and now we're ready to start seeing the buying pressure turn on. We're listed on the exchanges that we want to get listed on, aside from Robinhood, which is going to happen soon. It's going to happen soon. But between now and then, what we need to start paying attention to is utility. Make sure you guys keep that in mind. 110%, we need to make sure we start seeing how SHIB will be applied in the market. I also do want to mention the link in the description below for Webull. Of course, get your 2 free stocks, guys. 3 more days. 3 more days to deposit 1 cent. So please take advantage of it. Support your boy, support the channel, and get your free stocks with Webull and the ability to trade SHIB. They respect the SHIB army so much that they listed Shiba Inu as a tradable asset. And guess what? We killed the system. We did such a good job of showing them why the SHIB army deserved it. Now, let's go ahead and transition, trying something new here. And today we're going to give a word to the sponsor of the video, which is BOOSH Foods. So BOOSH Foods, if you guys aren't aware, it's a plant-based comfort food company. This is a company that is looking to, again, infiltrate the more vegan-based, vegetarian-based foods, but in a way that is still comforting. It still tastes good to the everyday person, right? For me, I've tried being a vegetarian before because I know the health benefits, but I couldn't do it because it made me give away a lot of things. More vegan, I should say. I gave up dairy, I gave up meat, gave up protein. I gave up a lot of different things, and it was just not for me. But BOOSH is trying to identify a way to change the game for that. So you guys can see they're already, again, you can buy BOOSH products in a lot of different retailers. BOOSH is growing at retailers throughout Canada currently. Whole Foods, which we have here in the United States. And you can look it through Metro, some of the big names out there, IGA. You guys can see Natural Food Pantry, pretty reputable and respectable names that BOOSH is currently being sold at. So there's also this BOOSH vlog that I actually looked into, the dairy list alternatives. They talk about soy, almond milk, other different alternatives that there are possible. But the big thing that we need to understand is, yes, this is a company that's pretty unique, but I always want to look at things a little bit further. How can I invest in something that is new? Now, BOOSH is currently trading as under the ticker symbol in the OTC market of VGGIF. So if you're interested in doing your own research and due diligence, you can go in and read more about BOOSH. But again, the VGGIF is a ticker symbol under the OTC market. It's trading at less than $1 right now, and it IPO'd back in pretty much the beginning of August. So again, IPO'd at $1, and it's been consolidating since, pretty much running sideways, not a lot of excitement getting in. But I truly think that they have something special here. I think they have something special here. Their year-over-year revenue is up to $33,000, which is 265% increase year over year, which is pretty impressive. And remember, this is something that is it's new. It's a new niche. One of my own friends actually started a keto kitchen. And I think, again, we're starting to see a shift in the way people are eating because health is becoming a priority for many. Now, let's go ahead and look at the investor presentation that they have. So plant-based comfort food for the whole family. Forward-looking statements that you could look through. And their mission, again, is they are here on a mission to make plant-based food more accessible, more convenient, and more delicious. And I think the delicious aspect is what makes it so different. So why do we do what we do? Plant-based diets might be better for the planet, but finding fast and convenient meals can be challenging until now. Going plant-based doesn't mean giving up your favorite foods or flavors. We use all natural ingredients to create dishes that will leave even the most skeptical foodies wanting more. It's as simple as heat and eat. So again, the plant-based meat market has the potential to grow up to $7.21 billion during 2021 to 2025. And the market's growth momentum will accelerate at a CAGR of 25.14%. That's from Technovia. So I did a quick Google search and I wanted to figure out how many vegetarians are there in the United States. And per statistics, again, pretty much worldwide, it looks like there's about 8% of the world are vegetarian, just based off maybe some of the census data. Meaning, based off 2019 data, there's 7.64 billion individuals on Earth. Now, there's probably a lot more 2 years later, maybe closer to 8 billion. But if we assume about 10% of them are vegetarian, we're looking at, for individuals, nearly 700 to 800 million individuals that are vegetarian, that are looking at finding new recipes, new alternatives to make their diet more, again, enjoyable, if you will. And I think what BOOSH is providing and what they have in their pipeline is something special. And one thing that I did notice on their website is they talk about their products and some of the things that they carry. And I think they do have some unique things on here. But as an investment, this could be an opportunity as well, right? Sloppy Joe, who doesn't love Sloppy Joe? Chili. But remember, this is all vegetarian based. Good gravy, lots of different products and items on their catalog and as their products. But you guys can go through and see some competitive analysis too. So BOOSH versus Amy's Garden Performance Kitchen. You guys can see 100% vegan for BOOSH, 100% gluten-free, composed dish, Canadian company, family size, non-GMO. One of the big things that we're looking at right now in 2021 due to the climate crisis and the global warming crisis is non-GMO products. And this is one of those. And again, lots of different things. They're actually partnered with Beyond Meat. They have an alliance with them, including 2 of their entrees. They have award-winning products. And you guys got to remember, during their IPO, that was on May 27th, only a few months ago, they went public, and the number of shareholders are just around 1,200. A lot of the cryptocurrencies that we're invested in have a lot more holders than that. The shares outstanding is about 16 million, which they're less than $1 each, making this less than a $15 million market cap. That's what we call a micro cap company with a lot of upside potential. But of course, you always want to do your own research. Insider ownership, a little more than 25% at 28%. And the current market cap they're saying actually is estimated around 20 million. Nearest competitors at 80 million. So there's potential of 4x returns on an initial investment today in 2021. Now, if we keep going and looking at some of the other things, some of the accolades, successes, and backgrounds, it was founded in 2017, a fairly new company. First products were shelved a year later. So they were quick in 2018, and it's available in 300 plus Canadian grocery stores already today. So wait till they infiltrate the American market, the United States market, the South American market, the European market. The potential for growth here is huge. And guess what? If you want to buy their products, as of right now in 2021, September, when I'm making this video, there really isn't an easy way on their website to purchase online. So once they make that an option, which is probably on their pipeline, you guys know what that's going to do to the price action. There's going to be some significant upside potential for this asset. And that's why I really accepted this BOOSH sponsorship. They reached out and I was like, this is a no-brainer. This is a company that I would back myself. This is a product that I would buy myself. This is a stock that I would buy myself as well. So I've not established a position yet, but I'm looking to establish a position shortly after making this video, because I never want to just, get in before anybody else does. I want to make sure you guys all have the equal opportunity to do so after you do your own research and due diligence. It's something a little different, but I want to see what you guys think of it. And if you guys like the format of the video where I talk about something for the day, giving you guys an update, and then talking about the sponsor, I can do it this way. If you guys prefer to keep them separate, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you all for providing me with these kind of opportunities. A big shout out to BOOSH Foods, ticker symbol VGGIF. Also, you can get it under the Canadian Exchange or CSE under VEGI is the ticker symbol there. But regardless, might be something to look into. I think that this product has some fantastic potential. I saw some other people were covering it, not as a sponsored product, but some of the vegans on YouTube were talking about BOOSH products and they really like it. And that excited me, of course, and got my eyes pretty wide open to look into what is the potential with this and where is this thing going. And again, you could look into seeing some of the single serve bowls that they have, entrees for two, competitive advantages, 100% blast bait, remember non-GMO, and it's gluten free. All their entrees gluten free. So for those who have celiac disease, you guys know I have a pharmacy background, I'm a pharmacist. So when I find something like that, it's something that I can maybe even recommend for a patient to look into if they're looking to spice up their diet a little bit and change things up. So that's all I had for you guys today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope everybody's enjoying just the content and the diversity of everything. But that's all I had for you. So thank you all. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.